What's up, everybody? It's your boy Will Carter and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Before we go any further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button and hitting that bell notification icon so you can turn it on so you get alerted each and every time I make an upload. And if you guys want to check me out off of YouTube, go over to my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter and follow me there. It's spelled exactly how it's pronounced, but if that's still too difficult, I'll link it down in the description box down below. Easy access. You know, I really still can't snap with this hand. I'm excited for today because today is like a lit day, right? Because I got my subscription box from First Leaf. I'm so excited. First Leaf Club is a wine subscription service where you'll receive a curated box of wines every 2 to 10 weeks, depending on what you choose, and you'll receive a total of 6 to 12 different wines, again, depending on what you choose. And the wines that you receive is decided based upon a survey that you fill out. And it's really cool for people who don't want to go out and buy their own wines or don't know what to pick or don't know what's best for them. So that's where the survey comes in. But it's still good anyway, because even if you happen to know what you like, you can always change the wines based off of what they choose because they'll show you what you're getting. I filled out my survey to let them know that I like sweet, I like fruity, I like citrus. Anything in that family is definitely right up my alley. I'm not into the dry, bitter type wines. I saw First Leaf was doing a sign-up like deal or something where it was get 12 bottles for the price of 6. Instead of getting 12 separate bottles, you were still only getting 6 bottles, but you was getting 2 of each. We're gonna move over to the table because it's a really big box and I wanna open it up, and I'm really curious to see how they packaged all the wines and if they put anything special in this box. So once we open the box, then we'll come back over here and we'll go through all the wines and we'll sample them and let's see how fucked up I get. I'm scared. But anyway, let's go open up this box. Okay guys, so as you can see, the box is absolutely gigantic. It's just huge. But again, that's because there's 12 bottles of wine in here. All right, so let's open this and see the inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. So this is so pretty. See, this is really what I want to do for Queens of Garden, like in the very near future. Look at this box. It's a custom box, and I would have never known that it was all this stuff going on in here. This whole thank you message. So just a few things that's in here, as you can kind of already see. I got this large poster brochure. It's more of a brochure, pamphlet, or if anything. And I guess this is just kind of giving you just like an overall, view of like the company, First Leaf, Harvest Spotlight, Italy. This did not come from Italy, bitch. Okay, but whatever. And then I got this. This is what I'm interested in. I think I know what this is. I think I know. I knew it. I knew it. I don't know how they did this so fast. So they must have this pre-printed. So this is, you can access this online. This is all of the different wines that I got in my box. So again, I tried not to read anything. I just, went with whatever like my results ended up with. And this is what I ended up getting. These are the ones that I got. And it comes with these cards. So you can kind of like read about it, see what the body is, acidity, sweetness, the fruit levels, and you can, I guess, use this as a reference as you're like taste testing your wines. And then, oh, this is so cute. World-class wine tailored to your taste. 60% off retail, wine made simple. This is so, guys, I love this. This is incredible. Absolutely love this. Oh, you can chat with a wine concierge if you need help or anything. Let's open the wines up. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, okay. So again, there's supposed to be 12 in here, but for some reason, I don't feel like this is 12. It looks like there's 6 bottles in here. Oh, okay, so here's one bottle. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one. That's like the good thing. Okay, so here's my second one of this. Oh, okay, look at this, y'all. Carbonated. I can't pronounce most of these words. Like, what is that? I don't imagine I'm gonna like every single one of these. I'm gonna just say like, because what are the odds that I like all 6? You know, I'm gonna say maybe at least 4 out of the 6 I should like. Yeah, it didn't look like it was gonna be 12 bottles, but it is. Okay, first of all, this says the word sweet on it, so I'm already like happy. But anyway, now that we got this out the way, let's start wine tasting, guys. I'm so excited. You know what? How about each one I pull out, that's the one I'll do first. So the first one I'm pulling out is this sweet Reslin or whatever. And don't judge me if I butcher any name. So this is the one we're gonna do first. Let's see where this bottle is. Me personally, I like all my wines cold. I don't like warm wine or anything. I really wanted the wines to be cold, but that would have required me to open the box prior to like put them in a cooler or the fridge or whatever, to be able to drink them cold without needing like ice in my cup. But unfortunately, because I wanted to open the bottle on camera for you guys. All right, so I'm only gonna do like a little bit because obviously we're wine tasting. So I'm gonna just do a little bit. I really wanna just read the notes and I wanna read like the percentage of like what's going on here. So I don't know what body means, but I think they're going on a scale from like 1 to 5. So on a scale from 1 to 5, its sweetness is at a 5, which is I like. Fruity is at a 4. Acidity is at a 2. Body is at a 4. I don't know what body means. So the notes, super cool. It's peach, pineapples, and wine flowers. Interesting. And it also tells you what they're really good with pairing it with. So it's really good with like creme brulee. I've never had that. It's really good with vanilla ice cream and desserts. Okay. You know, it's good. I've had wines with like lower percentages and I felt like I've tasted the alcohol more, but I'm not tasting the alcohol enough. It's good though. I'm getting peach more than pineapple. It's good. On a scale from like 1 to 5, I'll give this like a 4. Okay, maybe on a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it like a 7. Okay, next we have the Monjitas Blancas Torrontes. I know I butchered that. I know I did. You know, when people meet me, a lot of times they think I'm Spanish. And sometimes people will walk up to me and just like start speaking Spanish. We're like, girl, I'm not fucking Spanish. So on the sweetness level, it's only a 3. That's scary. But the fruit is a 4, acidity is 1, body is 3. Don't know what body is. But it's orange, tropical fruits, and citrus blossom are the notes. And it pairs well with grilled fish, Thai, Asian chicken salad. Yeah, no. I don't know if I like this. On a scale from 1 to 10, I give that like a 3. I can drink it. Like, let's just say like I really like am in the mood to have like a glass of wine, or if like it's like the holidays, it's a family dinner, and I really want something, I can do that. Okay, let's do the Merce Temp. Oh gosh, the names. I don't think I'm gonna like this. Okay, I'm a little shocked here because all the other ones said fruit, but this says tannin. What the fuck is tannin? Sweetness is a 2. Acidity is a 2. Oh, I'm not gonna like this. Notes is plum. Plum is one of my favorite fruits. Fresh herbs and earth. It pairs best with barbecue like just like in general, or barbecue sauce, because I hate barbecue sauce. Like barbecue chicken, barbecue sauce. Like if we're at a barbecue and you put like barbecue sauce on anything, I'm not eating it. I don't like barbecue sauce. Tomato-based pasta and fig pizza. What's fig pizza? Whatever. What color is it? I think it's red. It is. No. Okay, I give this a 2 out of a 10, but I give the name a 10. It's even worse out the bottom. Okay. Okay. First leaf, we were on the same page, but now I'm opening up these bottles and now I'm starting to feel like you didn't listen to me just like Naked Wands didn't, because let me open this one. Monroe Leaf Ferdinand. So this is 2% acidic, 2% sweet. So I don't know why I snapped for her, because that's not good. Maybe I should have looked at the choices and changed them, because like, if I did a survey and I said that I like everything sweet, why would you give me something that's only a 2 on the sweet scale from 1 to 5? I hope they watch this shit. Okay, so the notes, okay, this is what threw me. The notes is white pepper. Sister, what? Pomegranate is okay. All I saw was white pepper. Ain't nothing fruity about that. I definitely think it's better than the other one I just tried. Ferdinand is definitely better than Monroe. No, who was that before? Who was this bitch before? It's still like on the like underneath the 5. I feel like I only like one of them out of like all of these. Sister. You know, it said that if you don't like any of these, they'll send you like a new bottle. Like no charge. But like, what's the threshold, right? Because like, if you don't like any of them, they're not gonna send you a whole set of wines for everyone you didn't like. So there's gotta be like a threshold. Like, okay, if you didn't like one, but all 6, I mean, this one's not bad. It's I can drink this. I can totally do this. Like, this one's not bad. I still wouldn't fucking buy it. So far, we've done 4 bottles. We have 2 left. I won't feel so bad if I at least like 3 out of the 6, you know? So there's 2 left. If I can at least like these next 2, I'll be happy. So far, it's not looking so good. I feel like this actually smells fruity though, but I hate the way it looks. It's 3 out of 5 for the fruit. Sweetness is out of 2. I'm just saying, like, did I not fill out the profile to tell you hoes I like fucking sweet? The notes are lime, banana, and pineapple. This pairs good with coconut curry. I never heard of that. Seafood and fried tofu. Oh wait, hold on. Oh wait. Where exotic green banana flavors complement ripe pineapple for a friendly finish. Oh, it's not so, you know what? To me, this is probably the only one that actually tastes like the notes. Minus the lime. There's no lime in here. But I feel like I taste the banana peel when I taste the banana. This is probably like second best. I would say the sweet Riesling was number 1. This is number 2. So, okay. Oh my gosh, we have only 1 left. Okay. I'm not pronouncing this last word. What the fuck does this say? Because I can't say it. Oh, this won Best Class, Triple Gold, Silver, 6 total brand awards. Her. Oh, it's red. It's a 3 on tannin. Not really happy that it doesn't say fruity, but it does have a sweetness of 3. I'll take that over 2. Acidity is 2 and body is 4. What the fuck is body? Here's where I'm kind of excited, right? Because the notes is blackberry. Blackberry, along with plum, is one of my favorite fruits. Blackberry is probably my favorite berry out of all the berries. I think blueberries is one of the most disgusting fruits on the planet. Literally. Who the fuck likes blueberries? Blueberries are gross. Black currant, dried herbs. You lost me after the blackberries. But it pairs well with baked pasta. It also pairs well with steak salad. That is so fucking specific. Like a steak salad. I'm surprised they didn't say, bitch, but it has to have like Caesar dressing, ranch dressing. No. I mean, you know what my problem really is with this one? Is that it's not bad. It's just, this one in particular, I feel like don't have no flavor. So for me, if I'm gonna go back to like First Leaf, I would have to pick anything that has a sweetness level of 4 to 5, because that's just what I like. I don't like anything less than that. I don't like anything. Ice or no ice. I just tried like some of these without the ice, and although some of them do taste a little bit better without the ice, I still don't like them. Yeah, this is good. And I got a whole nother bottle of this, bitch. I like First Leaf. I like that they have like really, really strong attention to detail and the goodies that come with the different wines. Like stuff like this I just really, really love. So I really like First Leaf. I'm gonna link them down in my description box down below. This is not a sponsored video. This is something that I did on my own. I paid for my own box. But First Leaf, if you wanna, I'm just saying. And now that we are here at the end of this video, don't forget, if you haven't done so, gosh, y'all, I'm like really fucking tipsy. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and turn that bell notification icon on. And make sure you, oh my gosh, what are you supposed to do next? Oh, also make sure you follow me over on my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter. All things I'm Will Carter. It's spelled exactly how it's pronounced. And with that all being said, I hope you guys have a beautiful good morning, a beautiful good afternoon, and a beautiful good night, whichever part of the world you're living in. Goodbye. I'll see you guys on the next video, which I'm so excited to film. Guess how many times I have to film that part?